ask this question. Let's discuss this question, okay?
Yes.
First of all, read the question carefully. Find the equivalent resistance of the network as shown in figure between the points A and B. So it's a very easy question, like it looks very tough, but it's very easy. Just look at here. Draw it again like this. We have one more resistance like this, one more. This is B, this is A. Okay. Clear? So whatever values are given, I just wrote 10 ohm, 5 ohm. This is 10 ohm, 5 ohm. Okay. 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Little bit cold actually today. That's why
Okay, sir.
little bit different. 2.5 ohm
Mm,
and this is 5 ohm. Clear?
mm.
So I'm asking like find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So I will take perpendicular axis symmetry concept like this. This is my perpendicular axis. If you look at the left side, it is 10, 5, 5. In the right side also 10, 5, 5. So there is a symmetry. Clear? That's what.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm asking find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So assume battery is there between A and B or whatever else. So current is coming like this. Here let us suppose I1 current. Here I2. Here I3. Okay. Same pattern in the right side. In this 10 ohm also current is I1. Similarly, here I2. Okay. Here also I3. Clear? Now have you noticed that there is no current is going to pass from this 2.5 ohm and from this 2.5 ohm. Clear? Means we can remove this. The final circuit will be like this. Like this. Okay. This is A and this is B. Clear? This is
Yes, sir.
10, 5, 5, 5. Now you can solve easily. 5, 10. All threes are in parallel. Clear? 5, 5, 10, 15. So also 15. Clear? Now 15, 10, and 15. All are in parallel. So 15, 15 in parallel. How much? 15 by 2. 10
Yeah.
is in parallel with 10. 15 by 2 plus 10. What is the answer? 5. 75 by 1. It will be 20. Then 15, 35. 35 by 2. How much?
50
75
by.
multiply almost it comes out to be 4 point something. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 30 by 7. That is the answer. So if you solve it, it is 4 point something. So that's the equivalent resistance between A and B. I hope this doubt is clear.
Yeah, sir.
Clear? Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
like clear?
No, sir. No doubt.
No problem. Okay, it's a test only. I ask question this question.